Hello friends, in today's video we will see some important concept in solids or structure of solids. In today's video we will see four important concept. One is unit cell, second one is crystal lattice and base lattice, third one is Bravais lattice, and fourth one is a seven crystal systems. Let me define first some terms. What is crystal lattice? Crystal lattice means it is a network which consists of many number of unit cells which are arranged in a orderly, or in another word we can say that all unit cells are repeatedly arranged in a particular sequence. That is called as a crystal lattice, and it is a very big structure called as a giant structure or giant molecule. It is a three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles where that constituent particles are represented as point. So you see here that blue dot, that is called as a point, and in that point you can see there is a crystal, there is a constituent particle which are present, and when you join that point together and if they form a particular shape like cubic or let's say monoclinic type of crystals, if there is a joining of such a unit uh, point, you can see this point if it is joined with this point. Likewise, when all 8 points when joined they form a particular type of shape called as a unit cell, and there is a many number of unit cells which are present in one crystal's lattice. What is space lattice? When that points, when they are arranged in a particular fashion in a space, then it is called as a space lattice. It shows how particles like atoms, ions, molecules are arranged at different sites in three-dimensional space, so that you will get a spatial arrangement, and that is very absolutely clear. That is called as a space lattice. Okay. Now we will see what is, as I said, once all these space lattice point when they are joined together they form a crystals. So here we will see what is lattice point. The point at which particles are arranged are called as lattice point. The point at which, you can just see here, the point at which particle is arranged. For example, here is a particle which is present at that point. That point is called as a space lattice. We saw in a space lattice what, when point is arranged in a space, or when two lines bisect at one point, that is called as a space lattice. But when that space lattice are arranged in a when that space lattice which is arranged in a particular manner, so that there is a point which is indicated in a lattice, that is called as a lattice point. Next is unit cell. What is unit cell? There is the smallest geometrical portion of crystals which can be used to build up a whole crystal is called as a unit cell. Everybody understood? So as I said, in a one lattice, crystal lattice, there is n number of unit cells are present. Then we will move to the next concept, that is called as a lattice constant, or it is also called as a lattice parameter. In crystal lattice there are two important things which are used to describe a crystal lattice or unit cell. One is alpha, beta, gamma, that is called as an angle which is formed between the edges when they bisect or when they form a lattice point. At the same time, there are three different types of edges, and that three different edge length, which is like A, B, and C. Then that edge length and edge angles like alpha, beta, gamma, that all these parameters are called as a lattice parameter or a lattice constant. In a real crystal, there is a three-dimensional arrangement of unit cell, and you can see whatever the geometry of unit cell have, same geometry will be observed in a crystal lattice. So whatever the, suppose I have a unit cell of cubic geometry, I will get the crystal from that cubic unit cell will be a cubic type of crystals. What is Bravais lattice? As I told you that a French mathematician Bravais, when studied such systems, he found that there is a 14 Bravais lattices, and all these 14 Bravais lattices are occurred due to the arrangement of constant or particles in a space. All these 14 Bravais lattices are grouped together into 7 types of system called as a 7 crystal systems. And all these 7 systems are totally depends on the edge length and edge angles. What are that 7 crystal systems? We will see in next slide. But in Bravais lattices, 14 Bravais lattices, the systems are categorized into different types, like simple cubic system or simple, then body center type of system, then face center type of system, and last one is the end center type of the system. So every type of crystal lattice which falls into all these, any one among this category. In the crystals, along with corner, constant particles are occupies the positions or lattice point in the unit cell. As I said, body center, face center, and end center. So accordingly, we have 14 different types of Bravais lattices, and all these grouped together into a 7 crystal systems. So what are that 7 crystal systems? You can just see here. One is cubic, second one is tetragonal, third one is hexagonal, fourth one is rhombohedral, fifth one is orthorhombic, sixth one is monoclinic, and seventh one is a triclinic. Okay, and their edge length, edge angles, how they are differ from each other, that is also given here. In cubic systems, all 3 edges are same, while their angle between them, like alpha, beta, gamma, it's also equal, and they are equal to 90 degree. In tetragonal, 2 sides same, one different, that is A is equal to B, which is not equal to C, but all 3 angles which is formed in that particular system is equal to 90 degree. Alpha, beta, gamma all are equal and 90 degree. In third system, hexagonal, 2 sides same, one different, that is A is equal to B, which is not equal to C. Alpha, beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not, gamma is 120 degree. In rhombohedral systems, alpha, A, B, C, that is all edge lengths are equal, but alpha, beta, gamma also equal, but it is not equal to 90 degree. In orthorhombic system, all 3 sides are different, that means A is not equal to B, which is not equal to C, but all angles are 90 degree and all are equal. In monoclinic systems, all 3 sides are different, alpha, gamma 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90 degree. In triclinic system, all 3 sides are different, alpha, beta, gamma is also different, but they are also not equal to 90 degree, that you have to remember. So these are the 7 crystal systems. For your uh, understanding point of view, how that 7 crystal systems looks, how their unit cells are looking. So this is the pictorial diagram for all 7 crystal system. First one is simple cubic, where all you can see all 3 sides are same, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree, right? So you can see here. In second tetragonal, 2 sides same, A is equal to B, which is not equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. Okay. In third orthorhombic, all 3 are different, sides are different, but angles are 90 degree. In rhombohedral, all 3 sides are same, alpha, beta, gamma angles are also same, but it is not equal to 90 degree. Here in monoclinic systems, 2 sides same, one different, but alpha, gamma 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90 degree. In triclinic systems, all 3 sides are different, and also all angles are not equal and not equal to 90 degree. So this you have to understand as a 7 crystal systems. In our chapter, we want to understand, once we understand that, then we want to study what are the arrangement of that constant particles in during the formation of 3-dimensional structure of crystals. and then we want to study there, that is what is the effect of density, or how we can calculate the density of unit cell, as well as defect in the crystal system. So that will be discussed in next lectures, next video lectures. Okay, thank you for watching this. Thank you.